To change the color of this t-shirt, you want to select this image, go on Edit, then click on Adjust and scroll down a bit until you see the color edit field, and then you want to click on that and just adjust the hue, saturation and brightness until you got the color that you desired for the t-shirt. So that's quite easy like that. That, however, doesn't work for all pictures. So if you see on this doc, for example, I want to change this head to have another color, so you can just try to do it again in the same way. Go on Edit, go on Adjust, scroll down a bit until you have the color edit option, click on the red head and try to adjust that, and now you can see that the whole doc changed its color. That is not really what I was looking for, so I'm just going back one step. I'm going to show you how you could fix that. There are some different ways how you can do that. It really depends on the picture, so I'm going to show you all three methods, even though the first one is the easiest for this picture in particular. Could go again on Edit, and here on the top you can see that the selected area is an option. So you can just click on click and select the area that you want to change. So for us it's just the head, and then click on Adjust, scroll down again to the colors, select the red, and then you can adjust the color how you want. So just like that, and then click on the cross to go out of this menu again, and now you have a Christmas dog with the blue head. Another option is to go on Edit and use one of the Magic Studio features. This is, however, not in the free plan of Canva, so you will need the pro plan, but you could try that for 30 days for free. Then you want to use the Magic Grab feature and click on the head again, click on Grab. As I just want to show you how it works, we can reset the adjustments, and now you have one extra object in this layout, just being the head of the dog, and then you can do it again as before. Just go and adjust and select the color and change the color according to your wishes. This is the one way using the Magic Studio. Another way using the Magic Studio is to go on Edit, Magic Studio and Magic Edit. So here you want to select what you want to change. So I'm just gonna use the brush tool to select the red part of the head and say that I want to change it to green, and then click on Generate, and then you have some different options that you can choose the one that you like best from. So now you have three options how you can change the color of objects inside of photos. It really depends on the type of photo and what you want to change, which one works best. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any questions regarding Canva, Affinity or this process, just put them down in the comments below.